Ryobi Tools consistently claim the top spot in the preferences of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This tool brand consistently delivers top-notch tools and solutions, earning its reputation for reliability. In today's video, we present the 10 most impressive Ryobi Power Tools that you shouldn't miss.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at Dethatcher TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Lawn care isn't as easy as it sounds. So let's wrap up today's list with Ryobi's powerful Dethatcher Aerator. Now you no longer have to struggle with gas, oil, or maintenance because it packs dual-active batteries to provide superior performance, power, and runtime. It all starts with just a push of a button. This aerator features a 16-blade scarifying reel that helps you to remove layers of thatch and moss, so the roots of the lawn will get proper water, sunlight, and nutrients. Thanks to the 4-position height adjustment system, it offers you second-to-none user versatility and handles grasses of various heights. Last but not least, it has foldable handles that allow you to store it easily, even in small spaces. Let's eliminate dirty hands when digging holes in the backyard. This is the Ryobi ODT 1800, a completely cordless planting and soil digging tool for DIY lawn maintainers or garden workers. It simply takes half of the energy and time you use to spend digging a hole to plant trees. This machine can make up to 40 holes after a single charge of its 5.0 ampere-hour battery. Sounds too good to be true? It's also ideal for digging holes to make a letterbox, clothesline, and even small fencing projects. With a rugged design and stable ergonomics, this tool digs a 150mm diameter hole with around 800mm depth. While the electronic anti-kickback protection lets you get optimum control when the tool faces rocks or roots, meanwhile, the forward, reverse, and kickback off modes offer you more options for efficient digging. No doubt compact drills are the best way to make holes in tight spaces, but they have some limitations too. What if you got such a tool that goes where your regular drills can't? Meet Ryobi D18C Right Angle Drill, a specially designed tool to give you easy access even in the tightest corners or most confined spaces. Despite having a minimalistic look, this drill equips a powerful and durable brushless motor that generates up to 40 Nm of torque, delivering you the strength to meet all your needs. Plus, it features a multi-grip paddle switch trigger to enable one-handed activation in different gripping positions. Another thing worth saying, the RD18C Right Angle Drill comes with a bright LED light to go well through poorly lit workspaces. No wonder the 2-speed gearbox will maintain the highest precision and greater versatility. Bulky angle grinders seem a bit cumbersome when you're undertaking some small cutting jobs in tight spaces. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi designed its RCT18C compact cutoff tool with a super handy size and substantial power. First things first, it is fitted with a durable 76mm cutting wheel to get quick and easy access to tough corners and confined areas where a standard grinder can't reach. Thanks to the lightweight design and cozy appearance, this cutoff tool stands for one-handed use. Even overhead operations are no more a headache now. Worried about the hardest opponents, some metal, thick plastic, or concrete maybe? No problem, just pick it up and see it in action. Whether you're a carpenter by trade, you never forget to take an impact driver when heading to the job site. Instead of fishing for the right one, grab this Ryobi RID 18X. This is a small-sized driver but great for driving long and large screws faster and with minimal effort. Most importantly, it has 4 precision driver modes that allow you to get the right speed for specific tests and surfaces. On top of that, this driver combines with a maximum impact rate of 4,000 IPM, meaning you'll no longer have issues while dealing with hardwood sleepers and other tougher DIY tasks. Thanks to the auto assist forward, It slowly starts action to eliminate unsafe issues and gets the highest speed in mere time. Big work lights are not always necessary for workshops and electric maintenance projects. Sometimes even a tiny one can save your day. Here's Ryobi's compact LED flashlight that provides up to 600 lumens of bright and vivid light for light to medium demanding tasks. Don't go on the look. It comes with a durable design for years of use. The best part of this little flashlight is it offers up to 18 hours of continuous runtime. Whether you're involved with dark and closed workspaces, nighttime recreation activities, or any emergencies, it stands with the IP54 water and dust resistance rating. Small size, big power. Isn't it fun? Is it fun to mow your lawn and ride a mini ATV at the same time? Well, when you ride this Ryobi zero-turn mower, you'll feel the same. Now all the control is in the palm of your hand, thanks to the intuitive controller. This mower allows you to drive it comfortably with utmost ability. With the cross-cut multi-blades, this mower leaves an even fresh look after passing through the whole ground. No overgrown grasses, no debris. Surprisingly enough, the combination of brushless HP technology and 80-volt batteries delivers the equivalent efficiency of a 31-horsepower gas engine. Not just that, it easily cuts up to 3 acres of total area after a single charge. Plus, it also features a premium seat for the topmost comfort, rugged wheels for all terrain, and other additional features to ride with confidence. When it comes to achieving the most accurate result while using a rotary tool, mounting it to a hobby station has no exception. So the next tool on this list is Ryobi's Hobby Station. It is compatible with most rotary tools and features a 2-inch depth gauge to enhance controls with maximum precision. This hobby station simply allows you to use your tool hand-free. Plus, it features a reversible base plate and a routing fence capability to get the most precise result on every project. With the onboard accessory compartments, the hobby station allows you to keep your essentials well organized and always near to hand. And the integrated vacuum adapter keeps your workspace clean and makes crafting projects more precise than ever. Get the most effective cleaning tool in your hand and change your way of cleaning. The EZClean Power Cleaner from Ryobi simplifies your hassle-full hours of cleaning and goes everywhere with you. Firstly, it offers ease of usability and has a lightweight design to maintain comfort between job and job. Plus, it lets you connect it to the regular garden hose and clean around the house effortlessly. And the fun part hits when you can pull water from any fresh water source with a long 20-foot siphon hose. And when there's no water source nearby, you just connect it to a 2-liter bottle and do remote cleaning. Another feature worth saying, this power cleaner has 3 spray patterns that maximize your cleaning efficiency on every type of surface. In the early morning hours, you don't always get to stick to bed for hours. You've got some cleaning to do. This is where the Ryobi rotating wash brush comes in handy. It's a perfect pressure washer accessory for all kinds of outdoor cleaning. No matter which surface you need to clean, plastic, metal, glass, or any, this brush easily takes them on with soft rotating bristles. This tool delivers gentle and absolutely scratch-free washing for glossy surfaces. However, it quickly connects to all standard pressure washers with the bayonet adapter or M22 adapter. After connecting to a pressure washer, it helps you remove every speck of dirt, grime, oil, grease, and more. So take your cleaning to the next level of comfort. So that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.